Why did the electrician break up with his girlfriend? There was no spark anymore.
What's up, everybody? We're in the Supercar Street Racing Garage this afternoon. It is a beautiful day in sunny Florida, and we have been blessed with some great weather finally. It was cold for a couple of weeks, but now it's really nice. We're out in the Supercar Street Racing Garage, as you can see right now. We have a project coming up in the garage in a couple of weeks that you will be finding out about. But for now, we're going to concentrate on getting this old RGB smart switch replaced with a Amazon Basics smart switch. This one, for some reason, will not run the routines at night. I've tried everything. I'm giving up on it, and we're going to be replacing this today with a regular Amazon smart switch. Stick around and let's do it.
Why are electricians always calm? Because they know how to stay grounded.
Welcome back to Supercar Street Racing once again. Yes, that is a rooster crowing across the street at my neighbor's house. We're out in the SCSR compound garage. The Plaid is parked right outside there, and we are in here for a project. Now, right here behind me, you can see the golf cart and the photo booth, but over here on this side, right next to the kitchen, is a RGB smart switch that controls all of the lights up here except for the hex light. It controls all of these recessed RGB lights, and that particular switch right there does not work. Now, these RGB smart switches are so cheap that they fail over time no matter what. So they will fail eventually. I'm going to remove this RGB smart switch right here and replace it with an Amazon smart switch. Before we do that, we need to go ahead and unbox the Amazon smart switch, see what's inside of it, and let you guys take a look. This is not sponsored. I paid for the switch. Let's unbox this thing right now.
Why did the light bulb fail school? It wasn't too bright.
We're out in the SCSR garage today for a project. We're actually going to be working in here, but right now we have the Amazon smart switch right in front of me. It is a single pole switch. I will put a graphic on the screen of what that is. This is only designed for 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. You can see right there, it works with this smart guy right there. I don't want to say it and wake the whole neighborhood up. And then there's your Amazon Basics on the back, a little barcode on the back as well that you can scan to set it up if you need to. And that's about it. There's not a whole lot on the box here, so let's go ahead and get it opened up and see what all they gave us to work with. Now, that looks like right on top we did get some wiring nuts, so that's good. Just a bunch of wiring nuts and a couple screws there. We have the smart switch here, so you can see on the back here, this is the actual smart switch. This is the switch here. You have 3 different colors here, one hot, one neutral. So these two will be your hot wires. One is in, one is out. One of these is your ground and the other one is your neutral. You must have a neutral wire to get this working. You cannot use this without a neutral, so make sure you have a neutral wire in your box, and that's what actually powers up the switch. Right next to the switch here, we do have a nice, very thick instruction manual. There is a barcode here to scan for setup, and it shows you how to set it up right there. It's pretty easy with the app. With this app, I don't want to wake everybody up, but yeah, pretty thick manual here, but it's very easy to set up. I've set up a dimmer. It also explains to you how to actually physically install this guy right here. And then we have a nice cover plate there. It is a screwless cover plate, and that's everything that's included with the Amazon Basics smart switch. It is not a dimmer. It is a on-off switch. Now let's get this thing installed.
Why was the electric company so good at dating? They really knew how to make connections.
Right here in front of me is the old RGB smart switch. You can see right here, it's just a single on-off switch, and it is held in by 2 flathead screwdrivers on the cover plate there. This one works, however, it does not work with the routines. The routines do not work. They do not trigger at night. I don't know why. I've tried everything and I'm over it. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove this old RGB smart switch and replace it with the new Amazon Basics smart switch. Now, I'm going to do this with the power on. I don't suggest you do that. You can get shocked from this. This does have both neutral and hot in it, so that can get you. But it's very simple to replace the switch. I've done it. I did it like a couple weeks ago with this one, and this one is not working. So the first thing we do is just take the cover plate off, right? And then inside that, you're going to see this box has been modified, and there is a drywall screw holding the top in. The box must be stripped out completely, so that's how I was able to put in the switch. So let's just get that out of there. Pretty long drywall screw, that's what it is. The box is stripped. Looks like it might be cracked actually, so that's why. That bottom one was barely in too. It may not, the bottom one might be cracked as well. Now remember, this has power going to it, so you must be careful. There's our neutral and there is our other wires. Same exact colors that we have now. Our neutral wire goes here. All we gotta do is push that back in after we get our neutral. Now this is the type of switch where you just loosen these screws and these wires will pop right out. So first thing to do is get the neutral wire out, and this has power in it. All right, so neutral wire is free and clear. Don't let any of this touch that neutral. And actually, if I want to, I can put a wire nut on it to keep it safe. So just while I'm working, I can put this over it. I don't even have to screw it on all the way. Okay, now that we have the switch basically disconnected, you see we already have an issue here, and that is the actual hole. But yeah, you can see that screw hole is cracked right there. That's why it doesn't work. I do see one issue here. The ground is not connected. I do have my gloves now. It's much easier to turn the power off. Don't do it this way. Turn your power off. It's stupid to do it this way. Power's right there. Green is ground. Does work. All right, cool. Let's get everything back in this box. I think you could take some epoxy and put it in this hole and repair this. It would be pretty easy. But instead, we're gonna run a drywall screw up in it. Looks fine. Works fine. Works great. All the lights are on. All we have to do now is add it to Alexa. I think it already connected. Yep, I think it's already on. Let's see. Yep, it works fine. Look, it already added it. I just have to go in. Oh, it said for me to finish setup, Garage Master Switch 2. There was already something called Garage Master Switch. All right, so now all we have to do is remove the old one, and then all we have to do after that is simply add this switch to the routine that turns these lights on at night. They come on at dusk every night. Garage Master Switch 2, there we go, next. Off at dawn, next, and then finish. Now this should turn off at dawn. Now we gotta turn them on at dusk. So let's go back in here. Should be quick and easy. Let's add another action. We're going to Smart Home. It's under lights, I know that. And we're gonna look for the Garage Master Switch 2. There it is, next, and on. That's it. Now later on tonight, hopefully these lights will come on. Now let's go over to Amazon and see how you can buy your own Amazon Basics Smart Switch.
What's an electrician's favorite type of music? Heavy metal? With good conductors.
All right, everyone, that wraps up the installation of our Amazon Basic Smart Switch to control the RGB lighting in the garage. Now that it's wired in and connected to our 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi and Alexa, we've got voice control, scheduling, and remote access right from the Alexa app, all without needing a separate smart home hub. The switch works as a simple yet powerful upgrade from a traditional wall switch. Just hook it up to your neutral, line, and load and ground wires, connect to your network, and you're ready to turn your lights on and off with a tap or a voice command. Perfect for lighting up the garage instantly when you pull in. Now, if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and drop a comment on what smart project you want to see next. Thank you for watching Supercar Street Racing. Thank you for over 260,000 subscribers, and we'll see you in the next build.
Introducing Amazon Basics Smart Switches and Dimmers. Two new smart home technology products bringing convenience and peace of mind through home control and automation. Smart switches are easy to set up and use. There's no separate app or smart home hub required. Simply swap out your existing switches, open the Alexa app, and get started in minutes. Control your lights remotely using your mobile device, whether you're at home or away. In the Alexa app, use the Routines tab to easily set up and manage schedules and routines for your lighting. even schedule different light intensity levels when using a dimmer switch. While enjoying your home, use voice commands with Alexa to direct your lighting levels in each room completely hands-free. Amazon Basics smart switches and dimmers add a new level of ease and convenience to your home.